Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, you got it all. How much it cost you? You bound to fall, them demons caught you. Back against the wall, it's who you gotta talk to. Just look how far it brought you. Went from breaking laws to taking losses. Thought I had a shot, but it was just an offshoot. With extra gas.
Lakad ng may ngiti, dala ang pangarap para sa pamilya. Tuloy lang ang buhay. Minsan napapagod, minsan nalulungkot, pero laban lang, hindi sumusuko. Sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat galaw, sa vlog ko makikita ang kwento ng buhay. Fairfax TV, Buhay Canada, OFW life, work, travel, saya. Sa bawat araw, sa bawat vlog, tara sabay tayong mangarap at mag-enjoy.
Hindi, kukuhanan ko nga kung saan tayo eh.
Ayan guys, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Dito na tayo sa may restaurant and sports bar ni Boston Pizza. Dahil nga sa invited tayo ni Ate Susie sa kanyang birthday, explore natin, first time natin dito. Ayan, so happy birthday, and then first time natin sa may Boston Pizza. Kaya tara, let's go!
Maybe it's worth it though. You've been the light, the way you move is magic. And the fevers automatic. I don't care if this love is cruel or tragic. Some kind of beautiful. Only you can reach me through the static.
Nandun na kami sa prairie doon eh. Nagpunta na ako doon eh. Nagpunta kami doon.
Thank you guys!
Kamay ka lang sa kanta. I-reserve namin ang kanta natin. Ano ba kasi ng gulay? Oo. Ang talaga.
Picture! Ako ka, picture tayo! Picture ka sa Laki kami color. Kuya!
Yung babae.
Ano ba? Bakit naman?
Pati kinikinig, basa.
Walang baboy. Wala rin baboy sa biyernes.
Ano ba? Dapat may selfie stick na yung pinakamahaba eh. Yan, yan. 1, 2. Up! 20.
Ano ba yung picture na yan?
Video kaya yan. Straw.
Straw mo, straw. Pasok may straw mo dyan. May nakuha rin.
May dahon, baka may lime.
Yun ba yan?
Mint.
May kunting alat yan, di ba? Hawakan mo naman sa kanya yung apat. Tingnan mo kung patong.
kay Susie? Meron na sa'yo? Hindi na kasha. Wipes. Yeah.
Hindi, double siya. Double na ba siya? Hindi, magbibigay pa yun sila mamaya.
Ay! Nasaan na yung babae? Pwede mo pa na rin. Pwede mo na dito. You have lighter?
Yeah, I'll bring that around in just a second.
Okay. Si Louie yung parang kanina.
Tingnan ko kasi dila mo.
Hindi niya kakain na madami. Hindi niya kakain.
Smile! Wala pa. Di ba makita yung pagkain? Oh. Oh, isa, dalawa. Isa, dalawa. Isa, dalawa. Yan, isa. Doon na, doon na. Tulong-tulungan para matapos na at makain. Yay!
Thank you guys.
Tingnan mo parang ako yung
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl? Got the kick in every move and I fought just like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something special about you. Got me under lock and key, but I don't wanna be free when I'm next to you. You're like honey to a bee, I go crazy for the sweet when I'm next to you, girl. Got the kick in every move and I fall just like a fool for you, for you. It might seem that I'm dumb, but it's you that's got me stunned. Stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you.
And thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. And I hope you consider subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. And like and share. And see you po sa ating susunod pang mga video. Till next time!
Shake my ground and I can't get enough.